Today, you have access to more information than ever before. Answers to any question are just a click away. But do you ever feel overwhelmed by headlines, leaving you with more questions than answers? Economic uncertainty, political gridlock, and international tensions rule the day. So, how does all of the noise affect your financial future? We help you sift through the noise to focus on the essential questions that get to the heart of your financial success. What do you want to do in the remaining chapters of your life? When will you have enough resources to achieve that? What will be your income sources? How can you optimize your investments and cash flow? How much can you give away while you're living and after you pass? Unlike traditional financial advisors, we focus on you, not just your money. Through our life and wealth optimization process, we focus on the preservation and protection of capital, avoiding costly mistakes, and ultimately helping you live your best life. We combine financial planning and process-driven investment management to help you define key goals like funding your children's education, future travel, or even that beach house you've always wanted. Through financial planning, we want to understand your ideal future and determine how you can get where you want with the resources you have. We'll work together to establish goals based on your vision. Next, we develop a written action plan with customized strategies that are flexible as your life progresses. Once we fully understand your goals and motivations, we combine life optimization with wealth optimization. This means aligning your money with your vision. The plan includes critical pieces such as retirement income planning, reducing taxes, estate planning, and investment management. Our investment management process focuses on managing risk. Your values and goals are the basis for your plan, not short-term market fluctuations driven by all that noise. We're committed to simplifying financial complexities. Our life and wealth optimization process means that you can achieve your key dreams and goals while maximizing your financial independence and quality of life. We start our relationship with our clients where all good relationships begin: a conversation. We can't wait to start that conversation with you. Please visit our website to learn more.